Are you craving Red Lobster biscuits and just don't want to leave the house? Let me show you my quick and easy Cheddar Bay Biscuit Copycat recipe. These biscuits are made with things that you likely already have in your pantry. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Into a large bowl, pour in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. If you want your biscuits to be extra tasty, I would suggest using sharp cheddar. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help the biscuits rise, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. That's all for the dry ingredients. Now thoroughly mix the dry ingredients all together. Now on to bowl number 2 for our wet ingredients. Crack in 1 large egg, and it's whisking time! Now pour in 2/3 cup of milk, followed by 1/3 cup of melted butter. Make sure your butter isn't too hot. You don't want to be making scrambled eggs. And mix everything together. Okay, let's bring back our dry ingredient bowl. Now pour your wet ingredient bowl into your dry ingredient bowl. And mix everything together. Please take care to not overmix. If you overmix your biscuits, they're gonna come out tough and chewy. Just mix until the wet and dry ingredients are reasonably combined. Okay, let's grab our baking pan. I like to use aluminum foil on my baking pan because it makes the cleanup really easy. And spray some non-stick cooking oil. You can separate your biscuit into 10 equal servings. Here I use an ice cream scoop to make all the biscuits about the same size. It also makes the job much easier. Let's head over to the oven. Into a preheated 425 Fahrenheit oven, bake the biscuits for 10 minutes. While your biscuits are in the oven, let's make the garlic butter spread. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Add some dried parsley. Mix together your garlic butter and let's get ready for some spreading. Once your biscuits have finished being in the oven for 10 minutes, they'll look like this. Now equally and evenly spread your delicious garlic butter to make these biscuits come to life. Now we'll put our biscuits back into the oven to finish it off. We'll let our biscuits continue to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Don't they look absolutely beautiful? Your own homemade Cheddar Bay biscuits, made with all the ingredients you likely have at home in less time than it takes for you to get to Red Lobster. I hope you enjoyed my copycat Cheddar Bay biscuit recipe. What's your favorite meal to eat these biscuits with? Let me know in the comments down below.